you guys what is going on this video. I'm gonna cover the dumbbell bent over row, okay? So obviously grab your dumbbells. From here, you wanna make sure your core is tight. So pushing, especially your lower abs, push your lower abs into your shorts, into your pants, trying to pop a button on your pants, okay? From there, you're gonna wrap that rope around your hips. I always talk about somebody's wrapping a rope around your hips, pulling your hips back, okay? This will get you into that loaded position where you can load your hamstrings and your glutes, okay? So with your core tight, with your hamstrings loaded, from there, think about pulling your elbows back, okay? Biggest thing I see is people are trying to pull up. Get your shoulders down away from your ear. Pull your elbows back into your body. As you can see, my elbows are just coming past my midline. So if my shoulders aren't pulled back, that's where they're gonna stop. Pull your shoulders back and then row, okay? So one more time, pull your shoulders back and row. Think about squeezing your back together, okay? Maybe lighten the weight. Make sure you squeeze your back together and then back down. I'll show you from the front. So again, core is tight, hips are going back. Can't see the logo on my shirt. From here, dumbbells stay straight. I like to do them almost like an angle, so right in front of my knees, and then from there I can pull my hands back to my hips. As you can see, look at where my hands are finishing. My hands are finishing right by my hips, okay? So again, core tight, right there by my hips, not up here, right by my hips, right by my pockets, and then back down. Right by my pockets, back down. Also notice how my elbows are staying relatively close to my side, okay? So they're not flaring out wide. My elbows are staying close to my side. I'm trying to pull through my pinky, because if you think about pulling through your pinky, that gets you back there, okay? So one more time. And I can see, again, I'm letting it stretch, squeezing together. Letting it stretch, squeezing together, all right? Guys, that's the dumbbell bent over row. Biggest things is just, if your hips are nice and loaded and your core is braced, you will not put that pressure on your back. But if you're not doing that, your back is gonna hurt, okay? So again, core brace, hips loaded. From here, have the dumbbells right by your knees, so don't reach them away. That will also hurt your back. Keep them close to your body, pull up, squeeze together. All right, guys, dumbbell bent over row.